Welcome, in front of me is an Oukitel C15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, you will want to open up Settings. From here, navigate to Storage, tap on your SD card. You want to choose three dots and go to Storage Settings, where you will find the option to format it. When you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card, so if there is anything that you'd like to keep, do back it up beforehand, but other than that, you can basically tap on Format SD card and begin the process immediately. Now this only takes a couple of seconds, and once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. So click on Done, and you're finished. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.